Hello guys, in previous video we learned how to upload and create a WordPress website. In this video we will learn how to install free or premium theme on our website, and we will also look how to customize our theme and everything else. So stay tuned and let's go to the video. So when you log into your WordPress website, you have to move to appearance. This is WordPress dashboard. Uh, I will tell you a little bit about it. Here you can see the site health. You can create quick drafts for reminders. Here are some WordPress events, and you can just drag and drop boxes and use it however you like to make your dashboard. Before choosing a theme, you should consider only and only one thing, which is speed of your theme. This is very important, guys, that you must check that your website or theme's speed is very high, and above 90 is very strong and good speed for the website. We will check this in Google. So let's move to appearance and then themes. Here you can see that we have some of our themes already in our themes section, like default themes 2022 and 2020 2021. These are default WordPress themes. So if we want to install a free theme, we can go to our add new theme section, and here you will see that there will be a lot of themes available to install on our website. There are almost 4600 themes available to install for our website, and let's see what theme have been installed on our website. You can see that this is default theme. As I have previously told you that I have not installed any premium theme or free theme yet, and this is default theme already installed on my website. So uh, when we click this plus button, here we will be redirected to themes section. From here we can choose any of the free theme available. Generate Press is very high speed theme, and I will install it. Okay, once installed you can activate it. Once activated, it is done and will be shown at the first position. And from our website thumb kayak, we can see that generate press has been installed on our website. See the changes, you can feel the changes, but we have not posted anything yet. Therefore we have neither created our categories, therefore nothing is customized yet, and we will make it as we move. So this was the procedure, very easy to install any free theme on your WordPress blog. Now we come to the second part, which is how to install premium theme, or if we want to add any theme manually. First we need to go to the website, any of the website. This website pcm.wordpress.org can provide you a lot of free themes. You can check them here, and one theme which I liked was fashion theme. Okay, here it is. So first of all we need to download it. As I have already downloaded it, but you need to download it first and then move to the same appearance and themes area, add new, and here you need to click this button, upload theme. Once you done that, choose the file which you downloaded, fashion blog, and this will be here, and install now. Once you press it, it will be successfully installed on your WordPress blog, and you have to activate it, or you can preview it. After that you can also activate this theme. Okay, here it comes. You see that unpacking the package installation, the theme installed successfully. You can live preview it, and you can see that here is our theme. But in the home page setting, you can go to the and your home page displays, you need to correct it to a static page. Once you do that, the original home page will show up like this. Like this is shown in the website. At present, we don't have any posts, therefore this is not showing up. Okay, this was the, now if you want to activate it, you can activate it here, and you can see that this has been activated. And if we go to our website and refresh it, this page is coming up, and this is very similar to this home page, but we still have to customize it. And how to customize a WordPress theme? You have to go to the appearance and then customize it. Once you do that, you can see that there are a lot of options here, like site identity. What is your site identity? And after that, you can change the colors of your website as well. General settings, you can check, you can show sticky header and many other options. You can see it here. Header image, you can also put a header image here, and you can also create menus and everything else, widgets, home settings, and you can also make many other changes from this area of customization. So at the moment, I'm going back to my dashboard, and you will see that you can also see all the options available, like theme options, theme file editor. If you know the coding, you can also do that. And you can also change the header, menus, widgets, customization, and many other options you will get from this theme. I'm not recommending any theme, but Generate Press is the best speedy website. Now if we go to Google speed check, you can open this first page and put our URL in the Google Speed Insights, and we will analyze how fast our website theme is. So wait for a while. Okay, you can see that performance has been 84, and you can also check that the what are the flaws in the website. Speed index is not good, 2.0, and this performance is 84. Not good. It should have been above 85 or 90, which is considered as high speed. For desktop, you can see that 93, which is very good speed, and Google will love this website for the speed. So yeah, that was all about how to install a theme for WordPress blog. So stay tuned on my channel, and I will show you how to customize and create a beautiful blog. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you have any question, comment below. Thanks.